You know that feeling when payday comes and within a few days the money just seems to vanish? Bills, groceries, a quick dinner out, and somehow it's all gone. You look at your account and think, wait, where did it all go? It feels like your paycheck slips right through your fingers. Living in the US right now means dealing with higher prices on almost everything. Rent keeps climbing, gas eats up more of your paycheck, and even groceries feel like they cost double what they used to. No wonder budgeting feels impossible. And the truth is, it's not just numbers, it's the stress that comes with it. People are juggling bills, worrying about credit card balances, and constantly feeling like they're one emergency away from being broke. That pressure builds up and wears you down. That's why so many Americans feel stuck living paycheck to paycheck. It's exhausting, and it can feel like there's no way out. But what if I told you there's a simple hack that can give you back control? That's where cash stuffing comes in. What if I told you there's a simple, old-school trick going viral on media social that can actually help you see and feel where your money is going? Hi, I'm Bella, and welcome to the Money Talk channel. Real talk, smart money with Bella. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community where we talk about real money challenges and smart hacks that actually work. Quick note, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always make money choices that fit your life. In this video, I'm breaking down cash stuffing step by step, showing you why it works, how you can start today, and whether it's worth trying in 2025. Stick around till the end. I promise you'll see money in a whole new way. Cash stuffing is really just the old school envelope system, but reimagined for today. Instead of relying on apps or swiping endlessly, you're giving your money a clear purpose. It's a method that brings structure back into your finances. Think of it like creating a simple but powerful roadmap for your spending. It's kind of like packing lunches in different boxes. You wouldn't throw your sandwich, snack, and drink all together and hope it works out. Each thing has its own space, and that makes it easier and more organized. Money works the same way. It needs clear spots so you don't end up in a mess. Now imagine those envelopes or binders, each one holding money with a name on it. You open the groceries envelope and you know exactly what it's for. You flip to the gas envelope, and it keeps you on track. That simple visual makes budgeting less overwhelming and way more fun. So instead of swiping your card without thinking, you might put $100 in your gas envelope, and here's the rule: when it's gone, it's gone. That boundary keeps you from overspending and forces you to get creative. It's a simple trick, but it can completely change how you handle money. Our brains love what we can see and touch. Numbers on a screen feel abstract, almost like they aren't real. But when money is in front of us, stacked neatly, it suddenly becomes more personal. That physical connection changes how we value every dollar. Think of it like tracking your calories with food portions. When you see the food on your plate, you're less likely to overeat. The same thing happens with cash. Seeing it laid out makes you pause before spending. It's a natural way our brain keeps us in check. A banking app just shows numbers, cold and distant, but cash in your hand feels alive. It carries weight and meaning. The difference is like staring at a map versus actually walking the path. One feels flat, the other feels real and unforgettable. When you handle cash, every dollar suddenly has a job. You feel the weight of your decisions, and that awareness builds discipline. It's not just money anymore, it's your plan, your future in your hands. That feeling is powerful and it sticks with you. Cash stuffing isn't just about saving, it's about making your money fit into real life. Think about your daily habits in the US, like grabbing a latte at Starbucks, filling up your gas tank, or that quick Target run. Each of these little moments has a budgeted home in your envelopes. It's a way to make sure your money matches your lifestyle. To keep it simple, imagine your envelopes like a set of mini adventures for your week. Gas is one adventure, eating out is another, and maybe a family movie night is yet another. Each one has its own little treasure chest of cash ready to be opened. It makes budgeting feel more exciting and less stressful. Think of it like meal prepping on Sundays. You portion out your food so you're ready for the week ahead, and cash stuffing works the same way. By setting aside money in advance, you avoid last-minute chaos and stick to the plan. It's preparation that brings peace of mind. When you lay it all out, groceries, rent, utilities, fun money, even paying down debt, it starts to feel like you're in control. Your cash is telling a story about your goals and your values. And the best part, every envelope you fill gets you one step closer to the future you want. Sometimes saving money feels overwhelming, but cash stuffing makes it simple. Instead of juggling apps and numbers, you just divide real bills into envelopes. It's like finally having control in your hands. No more guessing where your money went. Think of it as giving every dollar a job, and suddenly, budgeting feels less scary. You don't have to start big, just pick 3 envelopes: groceries, gas, and fun money. Think of it like starting at the gym. You don't begin with heavy lifting, you warm up first. By keeping it small, you set yourself up for success without burning out. Little steps grow into big habits over time. The beauty of this method is that it feels rewarding right away. Every time you stuff cash into an envelope, you see progress with your own eyes. That little action gives you a sense of achievement that no app can match. It's a system that makes you want to keep going. So, if you've ever struggled with budgeting, why not give cash stuffing a try? It's easy, it's visual, and it actually works. Start today with just 3 envelopes and see how different it feels. Your future self will thank you for making this small but powerful choice. Cash stuffing sounds easy, but there are some common traps you might fall into. One big mistake is overspending in one category, like food or shopping. When you run out of cash in that envelope, the temptation is to borrow from another, but if you do that, you'll break the system before it has a chance to help you. The best solution is simple: don't steal from other envelopes. Treat each one like a promise you've made to yourself. When the money is gone, it's a sign to stop, not to move the rules around. That discipline is what makes this method work so well. Another mistake is forgetting to take your envelopes with you when you go out. It's like planning your lunch carefully but then leaving it on the kitchen counter. Suddenly, you're stuck spending money you didn't plan to. That one little slip can throw off your whole budget. The fix is easy: set reminders or carry a small wallet version of your envelopes. Just like packing your lunch, the habit will save you money and keep you on track. Every little preparation makes the journey smoother. Stick to the plan, and you'll see the results build over time. Cash stuffing has taken social media by storm, but what's it really about? Imagine having total control over your money. Every dollar has a job, every envelope has a purpose. It feels empowering, like taking the wheel of your finances. Let's break down the good, the bad, and the real truth of this viral money hack. The biggest benefit of cash stuffing is how it helps you control spending. When you only spend what's in the envelope, you stop money from slipping away unnoticed. It builds real discipline and keeps your budget honest. Plus, it cuts down on those quick impulse buys that drain your wallet. But let's be real, cash stuffing isn't perfect. It's not very convenient when you want to shop online. And carrying too much cash around can make you feel unsafe. Life today is digital, and sometimes paper money feels like it slows you down. That's the tricky part about this method. Think of cash stuffing like driving a stick-shift car. It takes more effort, more attention, and sometimes feels old-fashioned, but it gives you ultimate control. For some, that control is worth every bit of effort. The real question is, are you ready to take the driver's seat of your money journey? Cash stuffing might be the system you've been searching for. If you're someone who learns best by actually seeing and touching things, this method can feel like a breath of fresh air. Instead of numbers on a screen, you'll watch your money grow, shrink, and move in real time. It's budgeting that feels alive and interactive. But let's be real, not everyone lives in a world of cash. If you're the kind of person who relies on online shopping or is constantly traveling, pure cash stuffing might feel a little clunky. In that case, you don't have to choose one side only. Mixing digital tools with physical cash can give you the best of both worlds. Think of it like choosing between a paper planner and Google Calendar. Some people thrive when they can physically write, touch, and see their schedule unfold. Others do better when everything is just one tap away on their phone. It's not about right or wrong. It's about what makes your life easier. At the end of the day, cash stuffing isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a tool you can bend and shape to match your lifestyle. If you're curious, why not give it a try? You might just find it's the adventure your money has been waiting for. So today we broke down cash stuffing, what it is, why it works, how to start, and whether it's right for you. It's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional with your money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little money clarity. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried cash stuffing? Or do you think it would work for your lifestyle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's start a conversation. This is the Money Talk channel, Real Talk, Smart Money with Bella. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and remember, your money should work for you, not the other way around. See you in the next video.